white chocolate into a bowl, then add unsalted butter and place it into the microwave for 60 seconds with 30-second breaks. Then mix everything together until you get nice and smooth consistency. In a different bowl, add your eggs with sugar and then mix everything together. Then we're going to add vanilla extract, then add your melted chocolate with butter and mix until it's all incorporated. Add plain flour and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Then butter each ramekin from all the sides and add some flour so that the ramekins are coated around. This will make sure that the cakes don't get stuck. I'm using different sprinkles, multicolored, which I'm going to add into the mixture and then mix everything together, but not too much. We don't want the mixture to get too colorful. Then I'm using different food colorings, yellow, blue, red and green, just a couple of drops, and we're going to swirl this around just a couple of times to make sure we still get nice colors throughout. Then add your colorful rainbow lava cake into each ramekin, and we're going to fill them about 3/4 of the way. And we're going to bake it for about 15 to 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. When the cakes are done, you can see it's still jiggly in the middle, so run a knife around the cake to loosen it. Then we're going to flip this onto a plate. Make sure you're using a towel so you don't burn your fingers. And then decorate the cake as you like. I'm adding a bit of icing sugar, more sprinkles of course, and some berries to make it look nice and celebratory. So when you cut inside, you will see that the beautiful rainbow color will ooze out.